Hey, Chris here. I know when most people think about arm workouts, they picture huge biceps and flexing in the mirror. But there's so much more to training your arms than just building big muscles or looking good in a t-shirt. Today, let's talk arms, and not just for bodybuilders. Whether you're a beginner, a busy parent, or someone who just wants to feel stronger, arm training is for everyone. You don't need to be a gym rat to benefit from stronger arms. Strong arms make daily life easier, from lifting kids to carrying groceries. Think about all the times you reach, pull, or push during your day. Having strength in your arms makes these tasks effortless and helps you avoid injuries. They improve posture, support your spine, and help prevent aches from sitting or using your phone. Good arm strength means you can sit taller, move better, and even reduce tension in your neck and shoulders after long hours at a desk or on your phone. Training arms builds functional strength for everything you do. It's not just about lifting weights. It's about making your body more capable, so you can enjoy your favorite activities, from playing sports to gardening, or even just carrying your backpack. Plus, getting stronger boosts your confidence and motivation. Every time you notice progress, whether it's lifting heavier or seeing more definition, you'll feel more empowered to keep going. Every rep you add, every weight you increase is proof of progress. Tracking your improvements, no matter how small, helps you stay motivated and reminds you that you're getting better every day. More muscle also means a faster metabolism, even when you're just relaxing. Your body burns more calories at rest, making it easier to manage your weight and feel energized throughout the day. So, arm workouts help you feel better, look better, and burn more calories. They're a win-win for your health, your confidence, and your everyday life. Grab your dumbbells, let's get started. No matter your age or fitness level, you can build stronger arms and a stronger you, starting right now. You don't need a fancy gym or expensive equipment to get strong, sculpted arms. All you really need is a pair of dumbbells and a little bit of open space, whether that's your living room, bedroom, or even a corner of your garage. Just grab your dumbbells, clear a spot, and you're ready to go. This simple setup makes it easy to fit a quick arm workout into your day, no matter how busy you are. Let's start with bicep curls, the classic move that targets the front of your arms. With each curl, you're not just building muscle, but also improving your arm strength for everyday tasks, like lifting groceries or carrying bags. Next up, tricep kickbacks. These are perfect for hitting the back of your arms, helping you achieve that toned, defined look. Strong triceps are key for pushing movements and overall arm balance. The overhead press is a powerhouse move. It works your shoulders and triceps at the same time, building a solid, powerful upper body. This exercise also helps with posture and makes daily lifting tasks easier. Don't forget hammer curls. With your palms facing in, you'll hit not just your biceps but also your forearms and grip strength. This move is great for overall arm development and functional strength. These 4 essential moves work together to cover all the major muscles in your arms, ensuring balanced strength and definition. You can mix and match them for a quick routine or add them to your regular workouts. They're simple to learn, highly effective, and can be adjusted for any fitness level, whether you're just starting out or looking to push yourself further. Ready to master these moves and build super strong arms? Let's break down each exercise step by step so you can get the most out of your dumbbell workouts. When it comes to working out with dumbbells, form is everything. Let's break it down step by step so you can get the most out of your arm workouts while staying safe and injury-free. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, mastering the basics is key to building strength and confidence. For bicep curls, stand tall with your feet about hip-width apart. Keep your elbows close to your sides and curl the weights up slowly. Focus on squeezing your biceps at the top, then lower the dumbbells with control. Avoid swinging your arms or using momentum. Let your muscles do the work. For tricep kickbacks, hinge forward at your hips, keeping your back flat and core engaged. Your upper arm should stay parallel to the floor throughout the movement. Extend your arm back fully, squeeze your triceps at the end of the movement, and then return to the starting position with control. Don't let your shoulder drop or your elbow move away from your side. For the overhead press, start with dumbbells at your shoulders, palms facing forward. Press the weight straight up overhead, but don't lock your elbows at the top. Lower the dumbbells back down slowly, keeping your movement smooth and controlled. Hammer curls are similar to bicep curls, but this time, keep your palms facing each other throughout the movement. This grip targets different muscles in your arms and helps build balanced strength. Make sure your wrists stay straight and your grip is firm but not too tight. Focus on moving with intention and feeling the muscles work. Always move slow and steady, no swinging or rushing. Controlled movements not only protect your joints but also maximize muscle engagement for better results. Keep your core tight and your back straight for every move. Good posture helps prevent strain and keeps your body aligned, making each exercise more effective. Focus on quality, not speed or heavy weights. It's better to use lighter dumbbells and perfect your form than to lift too heavy and risk injury. Remember, progress comes from consistency and proper technique. Good form keeps you safe and gets the best results. Listen to your body, rest when needed, and never sacrifice technique for more reps or heavier weights. Now let's put it all together and move with confidence. Your strongest, safest self starts with the right technique. Consistency is key. Aim for this workout 2-3 times a week. Do 3 sets of 10, 12 reps for each exercise, bicep curls, tricep kickbacks, overhead press, hammer curls. Rest about a minute between sets. Choose a weight that's challenging but lets you keep good form. If the last reps are tough but doable, you've got it right. The whole workout takes just 20-30 minutes, easy to fit in. Progress by increasing reps or weight as you get stronger. Stick with it and results will come. You've got the plan. Now it's time to take action. The first workout is the hardest, but you'll feel amazing after. Don't expect instant results. Real change comes with consistency. Celebrate small wins. Every extra rep or bit of strength counts. Make it fun. Play music, wear what you like, and enjoy moving. Miss a session? No worries. Just get back to it next time. Every workout is an investment in your health and confidence. Grab those dumbbells. You're stronger than you think.